Hi, my name's Gabe Miller. This is my September biology project for Mr. Manning Nature Walk.
I didn't have to walk very far because, as you can see, my house is right here, and I live on the mountain, so there's the woods and the power lines right behind my house. I get animals come to my backyard or my front door or on my porch, like raccoons, skunks, snakes, bears, deer, mountain lions, any kind of animal you can think of that's in the woods, it's been at my house. So let's take a walk into those forests and see what we can find. I'm walking, and as you can see, there is a couple trails, and we have noticed that the deer like to follow our trails. There's one going up that way, one right there, and one right here. So there's 3 trails. I have come upon a maple tree, and as you can see, the leaves are starting to change color. That means fall is approaching, and the leaves fall off and go through their death cycle, and that's why they change color. And the more vibrant the color is of the leaves is because how much rain we got during the summer. And there are some little bite marks and different colors from bugs, and how much sunlight or rain we got in the summer, as I said before. There is moss growing on this tree, and if you're out in the woods hunting or just on a walk and you get lost, just come to a tree, and that tells you what direction you're going, because the moss usually grows on the north side of the tree. So if you want to know which direction you're going, just come to a tree and look for where the moss is growing. I have come upon a sapling of an oak tree on the trail, and we have came upon some trash that appears to have a Butterfinger wrapper, and this is a oak leaf from an oak tree, and there are some little bites in it that probably some bugs or who knows what were chewing on this for food. And there are some different colored leaves here that tell you that fall is approaching. You can see there's dirt on it because it is raining. And if you listen closely, you can hear the rain. I'll be quiet for a sec, so probably you might be able to hear it. Where I'm walking, one of the trails where the deer like to go. And I'll try to find any deer droppings or footprints, or raccoons like to follow trails. Bears also like to follow trails, so I'm gonna try to find some footprints of any kind of animal. We've come across an area that's been dug up, probably by skunks and other animals trying to look for grubs and other types of food in the ground, like acorns or anything that they can try to find to get something to eat. We have come upon where a deer has recently laid and rested, and because we know that is because all of the plants are bent over, and you can see the impression the deer has made. I am looking through my binoculars, and it is very, very odd because I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is a rabbit far in the distance, and that is very odd because rabbits don't usually come out in this type of weather. As you can see, I've came upon more deer prints. This one is a little deeper, and I've also come upon more prints of raccoons or a small dog or a cat that has come up here and stepped in the mud, but it probably is a raccoon. Come to find more tracks, and as you can see, these ones are four-wheeler tracks mixed in with heavy machinery tracks, and they go further down this way, and very convincingly in this, you can tell this is a four-wheeler track. And I've also come upon some deer footprints. So the deer has to be going somewhere that way. This is made by me, Gabe Miller, with the help of my mom, Joey Fulmer. I hope you enjoyed it. And whenever you take a walk in the woods, keep your eyes open and your ears open for any animals or sounds that you hear. And I hope you enjoyed this film. Thank you very much, and that's it.